Hey, look guys, we're back out in the garage. It has been a minute. Had a little bit of health issues, had to have a surgery. It's been fun. As you can tell, the car's been sitting in here in the moisture and got all rusted. And I guess the last thing we did when I let you guys off was we finished that inner A-panel piece, and then I think that was the last thing we'd done. Off camera, I did put this on. It's not fully in there, it's just tacked in there at the moment. But I don't like the way it's setting, and I gotta do some adjustment. But yeah, I think that's what we're gonna do, is we're gonna do A-panel next, and see what goes on with that. But yeah, I'll bring you back when I figure something out. But yeah, if you can see, the door's not quite lining up right, and I need to work with it. But okay, bring it back. Okay guys, we got it in. I'm still not 100% happy with this gap right here. But I can't get it to go down anymore. This is pretty good. This was real bad. This was out a little bit earlier, and I got that worked. The door's doing door things, so and it's not bad. The gap's pretty even. Every Mini I've ever had a wide gap back here. But yeah, the gap's pretty even all the way around. It's a little tight right here, but I ain't gonna worry about that. Like I said, I'm not 100% happy with that right there because it's not seating right. But I'm hoping once we get get the door rubber and stuff in there, that'll correct it. Wings just placed in there right now just for kind of placement thing. But next step is to clean up all this old rust and try to get it welded in here. I might try to do that tonight before I go to bed. But I'll bring you back. Alrighty guys, I got it welded in there. I haven't grinded it down yet, but I'll do that tomorrow. I've got to get in and get to bed. I started a new job and I got to get up with the chickens. But yeah, it's in there. My welding hasn't got any better. Actually, I had to relearn how to weld. It's been so long since I've done it. There's a couple little holes I got to patch. I warped it just very slightly. I don't know if you can see it or not right there because I got a little bit in a hurry and got it hot. But yeah, I'll grind it down, make it look pretty, put some primer on it, and we'll be done with that. Then the next video will be doing the inside panel. And then after that, I guess it'll be the wings. But we're slowly getting there. I might get it done in the next 40 years. I don't know. Talk to y'all later.